Hi, this video will walk you through how to access scholarly articles, government reports, and other educational documents in the database ERIC. To begin searching, break down your topic into keywords and enter them into the search bars at the top of the page. For example, if we are interested in learning about standardized tests, we'd enter that in the search bar, then click the green search button. This gets us almost 20,000 results, which is way more than we can handle. So, let's scroll through the results and look at the titles and subjects to hone in on more relevant topics. Ask yourself, what is it about standardized tests that you are interested in? Once you've identified relevant subtopics, try entering them as additional keywords in the search bars at the top of the page. We can continue to narrow in on specific articles by using the Refine Results tab on the left side of the results screen. Under Limit To, you can select peer-reviewed if you only want peer-reviewed articles from academic journals. You can also use a publication date to limit to articles published in the last 10 years, which is what we'll do. Focusing on specific source types can help you find more relevant resources as well. One option you have is limiting to ERIC documents, which are materials such as government reports, legislation, dissertations, educational reports, and so on. While these materials don't necessarily come from a peer-reviewed journal, they are still credible and can be more relevant depending on your purpose. If you don't want those, you can always choose academic journals, which are peer-reviewed articles. Once you find a source you are interested in, click the title to learn more. Use a record page to decide if the source is relevant by looking at the descriptors and the abstract. At the top of the record page, check out the author and the source. The page will also tell you if the source is peer-reviewed or not. At the bottom of the page is more helpful information, such as intended audience, educational level, and publication type. You can use the tools on the right-hand side to email the article to yourself or get a complete citation in APA. But how do you read the full text? If you're on the record page, under Availability, click the URL. If you're on the results page, click the full text from ERIC URL underneath the author's info. In some cases, a PDF full text option will be available for you to view. And remember, if you need more help, you can always ask a librarian.